Hello mga ka-travelers! Looking for top travel tips for your vacation? Number 1, book early, save more. Mas mura ang flights plus hotels kapag 1 to 2 months advance. Number 2, travel light. Pack only essentials, lalo na sa island trips. Number 3, arrive early at the airport. Avoid stress, 2 hours before domestic and 3 hours for international. Number 4, keep IDs and e-tickets handy. Screenshot your tickets just in case. Number 5, stay hydrated. Sun plus travel equals mabilis mapagod. Bring a water bottle. Number 6, check the weather before you go, para ready ka sa sudden rain or strong sun. Number 7, bring extra cash. Not all stores accept GCash or cards, lalo na sa islands. Number 8, listen to your tour guide. Para safe, especially during island hopping and activities. Number 10, wear comfortable clothes and footwear. You'll enjoy more when you can move easily. Number 11, avoid peak sun, 12 to 2 p.m. Pinakamainit, prone to sunburn. Number 12, for island hopping, bring waterproof bag, protect phone, wallet, and documents. Number 13, best time for photos is 4 to 5 p.m. Golden hours sa White Beach equals perfect shots. Number 14, don't forget your sunscreen. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours. Number 15, check Coast Guard updates. Weather can affect island hopping schedules. I'm Charlene from Longy Travel and Tours.